Top 6 Best Waterless Car Wash 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. Adds protection while you clean. That's Griot's Garage Spray-On Car Wash, a standout waterless car wash for quick touch-ups. This high lubricity formula lifts dirt without scratching, ideal for water-restricted areas or cold weather. It leaves a streak-free shine. It's safe for all finishes, including wraps and paint protection film. The Carnauba wax infusion really helps maintain your vehicle's gloss, adding a layer of protection between washes. However, it's a lighter cleaning solution, not for heavily soiled vehicles with caked-on mud. For quick detailing or light dust, though, it's a solid choice. Number 2. Aircraft-grade cleaning for your car, waterless. This Aero Cosmetics Wash Wax All is the trusted formula used on Boeing and Airbus planes for 40 years. It handles genuinely dirty vehicles, not just dust, with its damp towel method. This product cleans and waxes in one pass, protecting all surfaces, paint, chrome, even touchscreens. Use this waterless car wash anywhere, or as a wax step after a wet wash. The two-towel method isn't for quick dust-offs, but it's a top-tier choice for serious detailing. Number 3. No water, no hoses, no mess is exactly what you get with Adams Polish's Waterless Wash. This car cleaning spray features an ultra-slick lubricating formula, making it safer for your paint. It really stands out for its enhanced lubrication and emulsifying polymers. It's an eco-friendly way to wash your car, boat, or motorcycle, perfect for quick detailing or light dirt. You won't need soap or a foam cannon. However, for a vehicle with heavy, caked-on mud, you'll still want a traditional wash. This is a smart choice for anyone seeking a convenient, safe, and truly waterless car wash solution. It's built for convenience and paint protection. Number 4. One-step waterless wash and wax. Meguiar's ultimate waterless wash and wax cleans and protects your vehicle in one convenient step. It's perfect for on-the-go cleaning because you don't need a hose or bucket. This waterless car wash uses advanced chemistry for a spot-free finish. Its high lubricity formula helps prevent swirling or scratching while leaving a lasting, glossy synthetic wax barrier for protection. It's safe for glossy paints, chrome, and glass. Just know it's best for light dirt, not heavily soiled vehicles. For city dwellers or those facing water restrictions, it's a solid choice. Number 5. No hose, no bucket, no problem. Mother's California Gold Waterless Wash and Wax cleans and protects your vehicle anywhere. Its ultra-slick, scratch-free formula safely lifts dirt and grime. Just spray, wipe, and buff to a clean, waxed shine in minutes, enhancing gloss on all exterior surfaces like paint and glass. However, it's not for extremely muddy or heavily soiled cars. For quick cleanups and maintaining that showroom finish, this waterless car wash is a solid choice. Number 6. It includes 2 premium microfiber towels. That's a real kit bonus. This grand finale waterless car wash lifts dirt on contact. It delivers a ceramic-infused showroom shine, forming a durable, This grand finale waterless car wash lifts dirt on contact. It delivers a ceramic-infused showroom shine, forming a durable, hydrophobic barrier on surfaces like paint and chrome. Now, it's an 8-ounce bottle, so it won't tackle heavily dirty vehicles. It's best for lighter cleaning and quick maintenance. For ceramic protection and a polished look on your car or motorcycle, this water-free wash offers excellent convenience. Thanks for watching Best Waterless Car Wash. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.